Okay, and thank you for the reminder. And last semester I did something wrong. Then I don't think this time I should be smarter. I should be smarter. Okay, because last semester I prepare a Google Word. I have the form for you, but I don't know who changed the setting, and it's not easy for me to make the list alphabetically according to the number. But this time I try to use the Google Form. Here Google Drive, Google Form. Then the names, spring 2026. IHPE, statistics. Okay. Share your website. Then first question, student ID. Excuse me, you prefer to call student number or student ID? Which one? Student number, student ID. Then next question. Not option, sorry. Should be short answer. Okay. Your name. Short answer. Okay. Hmm? Okay, I think it should be okay. I create a student ID, student, your full name, your website. Please check the link is valid. What does it mean valid? For example, if I have my own website like this, 1 minute please, let me. For example, my website here, I-Yuan1809.blogspot.com. That's okay. But when I give you the website, look like this. Look like this. Because it happened in the past. So, for example, if you copy and paste and you observe draft.blog, blog.com is not the website as to the public. For example, the post, if I click here, maybe you can type draft.blog.com. That is not valid. That is invalid. Okay, please double check it. For example, if I copy this link to our online group, you will see something wrong with the website because it's not accessible. You cannot read the information. It's very common. So when you see the website with the draft.blog, it is not the website. Please check the format look like this. Sure, if you use different free web service, you can follow the same format like this one. Okay, see, so is it okay? Is it okay? Okay, then shorter. Sorry. Okay, I just copy and paste the link to here, and now let me show you how to do this. I move to our website here and go to the editing. Then I insert the hyperlink. Then update. Sure, if you forgot the website, please go to our website and enter our course, Introductory Statistics. And check here. Please share your website here. And the ratio is about 20%. 20%. Yeah, again, it's not the essential part to our course. If you want a higher score, you can do this work. You can research. Any question? No more question. We can move back to our course. Okay, and who did a response? So quickly. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, and any question about the exam question here? Any question about the example here? No more question. How about let's move to next example? Next example. Okay, and here, example 9.2.3, hypothesis test for paired sample using technology. And the New Zealand Air Force purchased a batch of flight helmet to protect the head. Okay, and then they found out the helmet did not fit. In order to make sure that they, ordered the correct size helmet. they measure the head size of recruits. They'll save money. They want to use cardboard calipers, but were not sure if they were accurate enough. So they took 18 recruits and measured their heads with the cardboard calipers, and also used the metal calipers. The data in centimeters is in example here. Do the data provide enough evidence to show that the difference in measures between the cardboard and metal calipers? Personally, I think metal calipers is more expensive. And they try to use a cheaper way to achieve this purpose. But can you say that? No, you cannot. So they use 18 employees, then 80 recruits, then compare the results here. 146, 145, and all results are here. Are 18. Then compare the differences. Okay, my question is, I don't think we have enough time to run this model. Like this one, but you can follow my instruction here to review the video to use this way. How about let me just use the faster way? Is it okay? Faster, okay? You can use this, or here is also okay. Okay, how about this time I use the second website and choose the data entry format. Enter up to 50 rows. Enter all tests up to 50 rows. Unpaired t-test. Where choose unpaired t-test or paired t-test. And we are using the paired t-test. And okay, the group one use cardboard. And the second one, metal calipers. Metal. Okay, and now if I select the number here, the number is here, but I just want to select the one row cardboard without the metal numbers. But when I use my mouse to select that, all numbers are selected. How can I solve this problem? How can I solve this? Because I expect to copy the number from the cardboard and paste it here. Then copy again from the metal numbers and paste it here. But when I move my mouse, my cursor close to the textbook, see my mouse is here. It select two columns. How can I solve this problem? Copy and go to our Excel and paste. Then select the column of numbers here. But remember, the location, the first location, the first position, the second position, third position are corresponding to the next. So be careful when you copy and paste the number over there. Oh, sorry. And copy the second column of number. Copy, Control C, and come back here, Control V. So far, okay? 10 seconds. Let me drink my coffee. Then click Calculate now. Okay, let's check the number. Check the number. The t value 0.85, and the 95% confidence interval is between -2.24 and between 5246, and the mean measurement of that cardboard minus metal is 1.61, and the p-value, to tell the p-value, is 0.4. What does it mean? What does it mean here? Generally, we set the alpha level to 0.05, and this number is greater than 0.05. Then we know that there is no enough evidence to show those two measurements, two measure weights, has difference. It means they are the same, or they are similar. They are similar. By conventional criteria, this difference is considered to be not statistically significant. Again, by conventional criteria, this difference is considered to be not statistically significant. And let's check the textbook here. H9, the mean of difference is 0. That is not a 0. A random variable like this one, like this one, like this one, like this one. Okay, let's check the t-value 3.18, degree of freedom 17, p-value very, very small, 0.05415. Okay, and the 95% interval is here. Oh, weird. There's enough evidence to show that the mean head measures using cardboard calipers are not the same as when using. Okay, weird. What's wrong with this? Because from the textbook, the answer like this, but from our calculation, I don't know why. I don't know why. What's the difference here? Okay, how? Let me try to use this. Okay, sorry, let me do it again because at the calculation, the answer is different. Let me use this one. Do sample t-test, for the variance. Pair t-test, okay, here. Copy, paste, and copy, and paste. Then 0.05 is okay, it's okay, it's okay. 0.05, okay, to head, and calculate. Hey, it's weird, sorry, I don't know why, because I use the website here. The answer is different from this one. See, the p-value 0.05 is the same as the textbook, but I use this one, I don't know why. Very strange. Okay, I think, okay, I will check why I use this one, the same value but different results. How about use this one? Let me paste it again. Okay, again. Please, generally we cannot just select the column of data from the textbook, but just copy and paste it to our Google Office, then select the column of data, paste it to our website, select the second column of data, and paste it to our website, and select parity test. Oh, sorry. Okay, then select 5%, sorry, 5%, that is 0.05 significance label, effect median, effect size, coherence, and click calculate. Then got the value here. The t-value 3.18. Who can tell me why the value here is minus 3.18? Who can tell me? One is plus, one is minus. Why from the textbook the positive, but my calculation using this website is minus, but it do not affect the results. Let me show you why. Okay, if I redo the calculation, select parity test, and this time I switch this method, copy, and this column of data, the second column, but I paste it from the first column. I switch them, the first column of data, copy, and I paste it on the second column. Plus minus will switch it also, and click calculate. This time it becomes positive, right? So sometimes it doesn't matter you use the first column minus the second column, or use the second column minus the first column. After the t-test, the value, you you can get the absolute value. Then that will be 3.18. 3.18. P-value 0.005. Very, very small. It means the measurement are different. It means if the metal caliper is more accurate, please do not use the paper board caliper. It's losing the accuracy. Please use the metal one. Is it okay? Okay, since the p-value very small, we can reject a non-hypothesis, and there is enough evidence to show they are different. Okay, and Okay, how about please do the homework here. I encourage you to use the website. Okay, and again, I did not calculate step by step. So until this moment, I don't know why I use the second website and get a strange answer, but use the first website, get the same answer as our textbook. I don't know why. Yeah. Do you mean the second website? I don't know why, but no details. But if paired, unpaired. Sorry. You're right. Here. But I did select the here. Okay, let me do it again. Thank you for the reminder, because I did do this. I don't know. Okay, let me do it again. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for the reminder. Thanks. Maybe I reload the website and I forgot to select it again. Thank you for the reminder. Okay, 0.054. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, the same answer is here. Okay, and how about do the first exercise, 9.2.1? The answers are here. Cholesterol level, 28 numbers. Yeah. In the final exam, I may ask you to do this. Sure, I will give you another chance. You can use the website. Just click and enter. But I think this one, I will enforce you to type the number one by one. Sure, no more. I will not give you the 20 numbers. 20 pairs will kill you, will also kill me. But maybe 5, 6, 7, a reasonable number of pairs. You can calculate this one. You can know the principles. Okay, let me finish this one. Then we can have a break. We can finish our course today. The course here. Patient number 1, 2, until 28. I can select the number here. Copy. And what's the question? Cholesterol level of patients had heart attack was measured 2 days after the heart attack, and again 4 days after the heart attack. The researcher want to see if the cholesterol level of patients who have heart attack reduces as time since their heart attack increases. Please check here. And again, I just copy and paste. And now I can have the cholesterol level 2, day 2, copy. day 2, day 4, copy, and day 2, paste, and day 4, copy, and paste. Then check significant level 0.05. Okay, sure, you can change it to different value, for example 0.1 or 0.01. Either one is okay, but generally we always use 0.05 and click calculate. Then got the answer is here. Size, differences, and the p-value is here. P-value is here.